You ready? I'm ready.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, Mike here with my son.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. We're excited?
Yeah. Good thumbs up.
Good thumbs up. What's this?
It's the blue RC truck.
It's the blue RC truck that arrived. It's the Sanhee racing model. Check the link in the description. I'll give you all the particulars about it. It's 1/16 scale. Cool thing about this one, it's got this 18650 batteries, the same type of ones that are in the e-vape e-cigarette things. I expect a long runtime on this. They're 1500 milliamp hours, one on each side. I'm super pumped about that. I like those. It looks great. It has great looking tires. Radio's over here. It has steering trim. It also has throttle dual rate, not throttle trim, so we can slow it down or speed it up. So let's take it around for a boot. Right now it's dialed down a bit, guys, because it's about 2/3 throttle, because this one is actually extremely quick, a lot quicker than I thought. I'd say this one easily goes 40 kilometers an hour on the road, and we'll get to that footage in a bit.
Whoa, jump!
Wow, you like that?
Yep, that's a good jump.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa,
Ah.
What now? Let's go. So we have the full throttle now. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes again. Whoa! So this is a fast RC. It goes so fast. It speeds up to 40. I guess. I can barely see it.
Nice, eh? Whoa.
What?
Whoa. Beautiful jump. Beautiful jump. And just keep in mind that that's not even full speed. That's about 2/3 throttle there. Okay guys, we're going to wrap up the footage here. We're going to run out the rest of the battery. I'll let you know how long it ran for. But it's really quick, and it looks like we're having a lot of fun with it for sure. Not sure on the parts availability, but it definitely a sharp looking shell on it. It looks like a great RC, and I think my son has a new favorite RC that he wants to drive in our collection here. So thanks again for tuning in to Mike's RC Corner, and look forward to doing more videos. Hope you guys join us on the next one. All right, take care, peace out, see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye bye.